How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today I'm just going to be quickly going over how to personalize wallpaper. As you can see right here, I've got this wallpaper that I downloaded, and I went ahead and inserted my name and of course the OnePlus logo at the bottom. So it's very simple and easy to do and fun to do if you like doing this kind of things and being unique and personalizing your own wallpaper. Say you have a Samsung, you want to put Samsung on there, or you want to put your name and some nice handwriting or something like that. You could do it pretty easily. All you got to do is download a wallpaper and download a couple apps. The apps will be posted down below for the links for those apps. Pretty much you could download whichever wallpaper app you like. For me personally, I've been using Walp, which is a really nice wallpaper. This has wallpapers from a whole bunch of different types of phones, you know, from HTC all the way up to Samsung to Apple. A whole bunch of different types of wallpapers you could download from this app. But like I said, you know, some people have their own app that they like to go to. It all depends on you, just as long as you have the option to download wallpapers. So for instance, I downloaded one of these wallpapers, which was this one right here from the Mate 40. Downloaded this, you just hit save and it is downloaded to your phone, as long as you're able to download wallpapers. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to your Play Store and download an app called Logopit, which you can see right here. I already have it downloaded, and this is very simple to do. Like I said, I'll post a link down below, that way you guys can go check it out and download it. Really easy to do. This is if you want to create your own text, like I created the Sicky TV, and you know, you could change the font, the color. You can make it a transparent background, which is really cool and really helpful if you want to put it into your wallpaper like so. So really nice stuff. And of course, I got the OnePlus logo just by going on Google and searching OnePlus logo PNG transparent, and you could download these and just find one that, as long as it's got that transparency to it, then you should be ready to go. Like for instance, downloaded, I believe it was this one, and as long as it's got the squares in the background, that means it is transparent, and they do pop up. Now if you do get one that looks like this and already has the squares, chances are it's not going to be a transparent background. But if it looks clear and you click on it and then the squares pop up automatically, then more than likely it is transparent. Now you could do this, you know, for if you have a Samsung device or anything, you could just search Samsung logo PNG transparent. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna go ahead and be doing this with OnePlus and my name, just so I can show you guys how to do it. So it's very simple. Next thing you're gonna want to do is go back to Logopit, and we're gonna go ahead and hit create new, and this gives you a whole bunch of different options as far as what you want to do. This gives you some options. You can create a whole bunch of things. You can create thumbnails with this app. Really nice app. Posters, Instagram posts, etc. You're gonna want to scroll all the way down to where it says device wallpaper portrait. So you're gonna click on that, and then once you have that template on there, you're gonna go ahead and click on the little camera button, and you're gonna add and crop picture. And this is where you're gonna add your wallpaper. So for instance, mine, I downloaded the wallpaper. Go ahead and click on it, and you could, you know, crop it to whatever you like. And then it's going to crop that picture, and then you're just gonna want to fill in this whole area. And you can move this around whichever way you want. So I went ahead and offset mine off to the side right there, just to give it a unique style. And then what you're gonna want to do is, what I'm gonna wanna do is try to adjust this, that way you guys can see a little bit better of how this looks. And then now once you're done with that and you got your wallpaper where you want it to be or how you want it to be, just go ahead and keep clicking the check button, and then you're gonna want to add and crop another picture. So for instance, mine would be, I'll go ahead and throw in the OnePlus logo, go ahead and crop it. And then now, of course, you got your OnePlus logo that you could size up, and you could pretty much turn around whichever way you want. Say you want it vertical, you could line it up to where it's vertical, and you can move it on over to the side. You can make it larger, etc. So really cool that you could do things like this. And of course, you could add other stuff. You could add your name. I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. But yeah, you could add your OnePlus logo or any other logo you want on there. You want to download, a PNG clear transparent of a cat and put it on your wallpaper. You could do so like that, pretty easy. Let's go ahead and show you how to, if you want to put your name on here, we're gonna go ahead and hit create. And then we're just gonna hit custom size because it's really new. Go to custom, hit default canvas. So now you're gonna want to, like, say if you want to put your name or something on here, you're just gonna hit the little text button, which is the A with the plus. And say I want to put my name, Eric, or let's go ahead and do sick Eric. So there, I put my name on there like so, and you're gonna hit add, and here you can make it as big or as little as you want. And then down here you could change it to bold. You could do the whole italic version. You could add an outline to it. And then here are all the fonts that you could do. So if you wanted to do some fancy handwriting for your name, you could do that. Whole bunch of different fonts you could pick from on this app. I really do love using this app. And once you find the font that you like the most, which we're gonna go ahead and go with the script right there. You can also change the color up here if you want to change it to different colors. So let's say I wanna do purple. I could do purple right there. And then click in the center, and then once you want to save this and you got it all figured out and all to your size and your coloring and your font and everything to your liking, you're gonna hit the little disk button over here, and you're gonna want to download PNG transparent background. So you're gonna click that, pick the resolution, usually the suggested one is okay, and then you're gonna hit download, and then you're all set for that. So that is really cool if you want to do things like that. And again, we're gonna go ahead and hit create new, go to device wallpaper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and load up that last wallpaper that I had in gallery. So if I could go ahead and find it right here, crop it, and then it will load up that wallpaper, fill in your area, make sure there are no edges on there. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and add the name that I just did, which is add and crop picture. Go to your gallery, and boom, here it is. Go ahead and crop it just to get your name in there. And then there you go, you got your name on a custom wallpaper that you could do any which way, vertical, horizontal, whichever, it does not matter. So once you're done with all of this and you got your name figured out and ready to go, once you're done, in order to save this, you're just gonna want to click on the little 3 lines up here, or actually no, it's not doing that. You're gonna go ahead and click all the way down until you get down to this menu right here. You're gonna want to click on the little disk icon, and you're gonna want to download the JPG. And then right here, you could label it whatever you want up top. And then the resolution, you're gonna want to make sure it's the highest. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2160 by 45, just so you can get that quality on there. And you're gonna hit download. And then once you're done with that, you are able to go ahead and go into your gallery. And here is that wallpaper that I just made with my name and the wallpaper right there, and set it as your home screen wallpaper. So we're gonna go ahead and do, OnePlus launcher set as wallpaper, and then boom, you got it set as your wallpaper. So really easy to do, very simple to do, very easy to do, and it is very fun if you like to be creative on your things. But yeah, once you're done loading everything and having everything positioned wherever you want it, just make sure that you go ahead and hit download, change the resolution, label it whatever you want, and you are done, ready to go. So like I said, links will be posted down below, that way you guys can go check it out, download Logopit or Walp Wallpaper or like I said, if you got a wallpaper app that you currently use right now and you like a lot, you could do that. Just as long as you're able to download wallpapers, and like I said, go into your Google search and just search whatever you want, just as long as it's got that transparent background. So really easy to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little notification bell for future notifications on this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.